I'm Araxan Evelyn, the Beauty Food Chick. Welcome to my channel. In my pan, I have oil, and these are my ingredients that will be going into my pot of life. In the Pot of Life series, I celebrate the tranquil beauty that unfolds when savoring a delectable, effortless, and wholesome pot of soup. Hashtag pot of life. So in my pan, I have brought in garlic, onions, peppers, and my beef. Why am I doing this? Because I will love for the flavors to be infused in the beef to give it that umami taste. To this, I brought in salt, just a little bit of salt, then allow this to cook for a bit. Pot of life consists basically of stir frying. So we continue to stir fry this. I have a little extra oil because of the beef that has gone in this. Next, I brought in my carrots and I will be stirring. Like I said, it's basically stir fry method. Then I added more salt because I will like this meal to be tasty. We ain't doing bland here. And to this, I brought in cabbage. We will just keep introducing the rest of the ingredients. We'll be introducing the rest of the ingredients in bits. Why? Because they all cook differently. So I brought in my cabbage, both the white cabbage and the purple cabbage. This is some sort of rainbow going on in this pot. I brought in my bell peppers, the yellow bell peppers, followed immediately by the red bell peppers. Now, the bell peppers should come in last because they shouldn't cook soft. In this series, I will want them to be a bit crunchy. So you know that to bring in your flavors, you do not need a lot of ingredients. Salt and peppers will do the magic. And I bring it in coconut milk today. Yes. Ooh, the season. You know me already. So it's basically adding salt in bits. You do not want to add your salt completely. You have to keep tasting and making adjustments. That's basically it. Then I added a little tad bit of cornstarch so that we have a slurry that is going on. What does that mean? I just want it to be a little bit thick. I do not want this runny. Make sense? All right. That is basically it. Guys, that's it. So you turn off your heat at this point and you add any garnish. For me, I'll be using coriander. And there you have it. Pot of life. Yes. Should we cut this? Should we? Oh my goodness. Should we call this the rainbow pot of life? What do you think? I would love to have suggestions from you. Anyways, this exquisite creation comprises of a colorful blend of bell peppers, a medley of purple and white cabbage, succulent beef, aromatic coriander, creamy coconut, a hint of hot peppers for that delightful kick, a touch of onions, and just a touch of cornstarch to achieve a perfect consistency. It's a symphony of flavors and a mouthful of tasty goodness. Is this one pot you're describing like this, the beautiful chick? Yes, darling. It's just one pot I am describing. And this one pot, guys, I just sprung this recipe up. So the pot of life is basically a series that I have put together of things, recipes that I just spring up. Most of these recipes have never been made before. So I am basically teaching you that you can go in your kitchen, have a few ingredients, and come up with the most amazing mouthful of tasty goodness. Could you try that? Sometimes, we come into the kitchen and we think it has to be 1,000,001 ingredients. No, look at how pretty this looks. And with just a few ingredients. Honestly, it was so tasty. So tasty. Please like this video. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought about this recipe, and is this something you are gonna give a try? I will honestly love to know. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. You are my darling. If you just bumped into this video, I make really lovely recipes. You want to consider subscribing for more, because I always have more on my channel. Hit the notification bell also while you are at that. That way you get notified anytime I have a new video up. Thank you so much. As for my personal choice, I decided to pair this with some fluffy pancakes. However, do not hesitate to explore your own perfect accompaniment to enhance this culinary experience. You could pair this with rice, yam, potatoes, plantains, couscous, bulgur wheat, and anything you feel like. Now, I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye! I love you.